Basements often become neglected storage areas, but with a little creativity, they can transform into valuable living spaces. Let's meet with our remodeling expert, Nick Richmond from Matrix Home Solutions to learn more.
My personal mission statement is to start every day at zero and wake up every day hungry and motivated to not become complacent. I also believe that the little things don't make the little difference, little things make all the difference. And what I mean by that is focus on continuous improvement, to work to build those people around me to think that same way, and I believe we've accomplished that. There's a misconception that when you have a basement that you're looking to finish, you have to finish every square inch of the space, and that size matters. What matters most is using your money in a way that sets your basement apart and becomes unlike any other area of your home.
Lower-level living spaces have tremendous potential, whether you're looking to create a cozy family room, a home theater, or even a home office. The first step in basement remodeling is proper planning.
The questions we hear from homeowners typically, first and foremost, are budget related. They also are always interested in understanding who we are, how many projects we've done in the area, can we be trusted to work in their home. The other thing is, how long is this going to take? Are the expectations that are being set for us realistic and attainable? Some of the problems people run into when they're looking to remodel their lower level living space are ceiling height, also utilities. Oftentimes people want to have a bathroom or a powder room down in that basement. Egress is another important consideration. Having the proper egress to meet the building department's requirements to call that a livable area. Our designers, first and foremost, when they go into an unfinished basement, they inspect the area to look for the obvious water intrusions. So if there's cracks in the foundation or a sump pump that needs to be replaced, we address those issues first and foremost. And then from there, we're known for using building materials that are designed for a lower level living space. We have a forever wall assembly. You can go on our website and learn a little bit about what that is. We have our own proprietary wall assembly that's built for a lower level space. We are absolutely a one-stop shop for basement remodeling. We do deal directly with the building department. We have our own in-house CAD team that draws those plans that are necessary to obtain the permit. We make sure that we're also responsible for handling any inspections along the way, which is usually a rough inspection and then a final inspection. We're not just finishing basements, we're building another level of living space to that home. A third party is inspecting our work and everything's being done legally. So that way, if they ever do sell the house, there's no issues with the building requirements in that lower level.
Anytime that you're dealing with lolly columns or posts, we have a few different options depending on what your space allows for. A lot of times if you want something that's contemporary and clean, we'd go with a hex wrap that gets accented with baseboards at the bottom and crown molding at the top. This is discreet and it's going to maximize the space that you have for your floor plan. If you want something that has a little more pop to it, we would recommend going with a square post, and what we could do is we could accent that with wainscoting or even do a rail around it with granite or quartz so you could set drinks down. Here at Matrix Home Solutions, once we are in your business, we send a project manager out a couple weeks after that just to go over all the CAD renderings and 3D designs. That way you see exactly what the space is going to look like before you sign off on your plans and we start building the basement of your dreams.
At Matrix Home Solutions, they understand the importance of minimizing disruption to your life and keeping the remodeling process as streamlined and stress-free as possible.
The number one reason that home remodelers have a bad reputation is either unmet expectations or maybe the expectations were just never set. The great thing about Matrix is that our clients can always get a hold of someone. Almost 24 hours a day, someone is there to answer the telephone. We believe it's important to give the customer a great experience, and part of that is giving them a singular point of contact. So when we're out building that space, they have a project manager that's not only checking in daily on that project and physically coming in to inspect the work, but they're also responsible to take the customer's phone calls, answer any questions or concerns. We use a program called Builder Trend, and this app really allows us to keep everyone in the loop from start to finish. Inside of that portal, we post daily progress photos so the homeowner can see the photos of their basement and the progress, as well as that's a place for them to post questions or comments and communicate with the installation team and the project manager. And lastly, even invoicing and making payments can be done through the portal.
Working with Matrix Home Solutions and their customer service, one of the things that was really important to me, and I think that we certainly both appreciated, was the fact that they kept in contact with us regularly.
We also had the app, which I thought was really helpful, that gave us the schedule and let us know when they were going to be here and if something was changing. So that was really helpful to check out that calendar every day.
Yeah. Conceptually, we knew exactly what it was that we wanted. We knew the number of rooms, we had a kind of a general idea, but because it was a blank slate, we didn't really know what that would look like in the end.
What was exciting is when they gave us the actual design plan after
Yeah.
they took what we wanted and then made
The rendering.
Like the rendering, and we got it and it came to life. Like, wow, this is what our basement's gonna look like.
Yeah.
And
Looks exactly the same.
They gave us.
A bathroom remodel can also give your space a much-needed upgrade.
We've developed a bath remodeling program that is very much like our basement program. So we're not a jack of all trades, we're really a master of two things, basement and bath remodeling. When we remodel homes, we view it as an investment and not an expense, and we look to get our homeowners on the same page with that logic. And so we put a lot of emphasis into the quality and the sustainability of the materials that we use.
Get ready to discover the endless possibilities while adding versatile space to your home.
Some words of inspiration I can give is when you're green, you're growing, and when you're ripe, you rot. I believe this is true in every aspect of life, and we just truly love and believe in what it is that we're doing. We do believe we are the greatest basement remodeling and bath remodeling company in the country, and so if someone's looking for those services, we hope that they give us a call. I believe the future for us is extremely bright, and I love the fact that we give people this large company experience, but still that small contractor feel, and so that's something we believe we can apply on a national level. We are growing and scaling the company. We're up to 5 locations now, and we believe that we can get up to 10 within the next few years. And so Matrix, if we're not in your territory currently, we'll be there soon.
To find out more about Matrix Home Solutions, visit matrixhomesolutions.com and designingspaces.tv.